So today I'm going to show you 3 different exercises that you can do to strengthen your glutes and your hips from the floor or from a bed. So if you can't get onto the floor, that is okay. You can use your bed instead. So you can do these first thing when you get up or at any time in the day or in the evening, whenever. It doesn't matter when you do them, as long as you do them to strengthen that part of your body, which a lot of us have very weak muscles in. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to get onto the floor, obviously, but you can follow along or just pay attention and then practice these later when you are on your bed. So let's get started. So the first one that we're going to do is just bringing a knee up to work on strengthening the glute. So you can have your hand on your head or your head in your hand, or you can lie down and have your head resting on your arm. So the main rule is to keep your top hip forward. A lot of times when we do this exercise or when we're doing a straight leg, we bring that hip back, but to really work the glute, you need to press the knee and the hip forward at the top. And then you're simply just raising a knee up, keeping the feet together, and then coming back down. Okay, so you can see that I'm not going up very high. I already feel that in my glutes and my hip, and back down. So let's do this together. So going up and down, really focusing on keeping that hip forward. You should only be able to go about that high and down again. This is 3. So just do as many as you can. We are going to go up to 10, but stop when you need to. And last one. Excellent. Okay, our next exercise. So same position, but we're bringing a leg out straight, toes are down to the floor, and you're working on pressing your heel up towards the ceiling. Okay, you ready? So let's do it together. Again, have your your head in this position or resting. So lifting up and back down. Again, making sure that that top hip is forward. And relax there. Okay, our third exercise, let me show you first. So we are going to bring a knee forward, and then you're pressing the heel back and then coming forward again. So you may need a few minutes break in between each move, and that's okay. So if you're ready, or just watch and then you can do it next time, bringing the knee forward, pressing back, and continuing. Excellent. So if you want to do a stretch, if you find that you feel you need it, or it is definitely a bonus to always be stretching, you can either pull, if you have a loop on your shoe, or if you're not wearing shoes, if you can grab onto your ankle, but just to stretch out the quads. So just the front of your leg and hold, and you can bring your head down again, just to stretch it out. And releasing the foot. So you can hold that stretch as long as you want. You can also put a tie or a towel or a band around your foot to try and get that leg stretched. So we're just doing the same thing on the other side. So you can just roll over if you're in your bed. Again, always checking your posture to make sure that that top hip is forward. You ready? Let's go together. And that's 10. Okay, going into our second one. So toes down towards the floor, heel up towards the ceiling. And again, making sure that that hip is forward. And then resting there. And when you're ready, we'll do the third exercise. So bringing that knee forward and foot back. And then stretching it out. So you can do these exercises every day if you're not too sore, or every second day at least. Definitely try and do them every second day if you can. You can do one set on both sides, and when you get stronger, when you're able to do 10 of each exercise easily, then start adding a second set. And you can even do a third set. And you will definitely feel the difference within a few months. You'll definitely feel the glute muscle getting stronger, which is so great for us for so many reasons. Okay, and releasing that foot. And that is it. You're done. I forgot to mention, you will also notice a difference with your lower back pain if you get stronger glutes. Okay, I hope you enjoy those exercises, and I look forward to hearing your feedback after a few months of doing these to let me know how much stronger your glutes are getting. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.